52 weeks, that's 10,000. Right? And you argue with them for a loaf of bread. You lose them, not only for 1 year, you lose them for 2 years. They finally come back after 2 years. So that's 20,000 worth of values, business that's gone. We are going to have bill loyalty session. In bill loyalty, we will understand what loyalty is. Right? We will also have a deeper dive of why it matters to our business. Right? We will also understand how do we build loyalty? What do we do?
Something I picked out from this manager's training is brand loyalty and how important it is. It's not just for our customers, but also within the team as well.
What I'm going to take back is to provide a good customer service for my customers, be honest in everything that we do, and have open communication with both staffs and customers.
Sometimes we are in situations where it's hard to control our emotions, but in the training I realized that some things when we need to really calm down on the situations where there's much of difficulties. So I feel that now I can be able to practice this with my staffs, colleagues, and even with the customers if there's any situations that may arise in the shop.
The last day was substantial, and we believe that with this training and then reflecting onto the learnings they have got, our team would be able to achieve great success and definitely take the JEX brand to the next level. Thank you.
So the training today, it's about the back to basic. It's really give me a realization how important the basic of the retail. It will going to strengthen the foundation on the way how we're going to lead my team in JEX Waigani Central.
The most important thing is like how to maintain it, right, on daily basis. Like you can achieve your goal, but to maintain there is one of the major challenges. So this training is giving us that how we can maintain in those things on daily operations.
So when we started on day one, it was a bit quiet and people were nervous and the expectations were different. But as we went along, people were a bit comfortable on how things were going on. And when we started to engage and people opened up, it just flipped over. It was really great. The training today, which I've attended, is an excellent training program for the staff. It instills our values, it instills our culture, it instills our mission and vision to the staff. A lot of times our staff are too focused on business as usual and they forget about what we stand for. So this is an excellent program for our staff.